Alright guys, I am back in my condo and this is another white craft-made 52-inch ceiling fan. Now, this one's a little dusty, you know. Now this one's in this is in the room where my brother and his friend are staying, so I gotta make this quick. So, yeah, this is the same fan again. Again, this is light, and this is the fan, which has the attached pull chain. Again, we got the light and the fan. I think this one has an LED light in there because it's pretty bright, so we'll go ahead and start it up now. We're just going to start on low. Again, I am flashing low battery, so my camera's probably going to die, so I got to try to hurry. I guess, I don't know if that's how fast it goes right there on low. Very nice. Alright. Alright, that's low. Here's medium. Here's the top of it. Again, I have this one pulling the air down too. Alright, I'm going to turn it on high a second. Alright, that's medium, and here's high. I want to be careful. I think that's an LED light there, I'm not quite sure. But, well, that feels good. Oops. There it is on high. I'm gonna put it back on medium a second because that's where I found it. Ooh, that feels good. See? Really nice. Alright. Now I'm gonna put it back on medium. That's where I found it. And alright guys, so now I got 3 more fans to show, so stay tuned for part 4 coming up next in just a second. Until then, that's it.